Hi and welcome back to another episode. In this one, I not only mess up my hands, I also mess up my feet. Will it be the safety sandals though? The rebar bender is back. I have extended that and I put a plate on this. Unfortunately, the plate should have been 90 degrees that way. So now I have to deal with actually changing the angle of this whole structure instead, because I'm not going back to redo this. When I received it, it was freshly welded. I grabbed that to bring it home, and it was basically a scissor that cut open my hand. I then tried to get loose and burned my fingers on the fresh welds. So concrete work is out of the question. My left hand is not great. So I'll put some gloves on and try to finish the rebar today. That should be fine. I'll try and drill those holes, and I'll try to do as much molds as possible so that when I'm back in business I can do concrete work again. It's not going to be today. Hopefully tomorrow, but who knows what my hands will look like tomorrow. They're not great. So this is yesterday's work. I will be removing all of this shortly. I've been spending the day cutting and bending rebar, but I'm pretty much finished. So what I'll do now is do some gluing where I can, or where I should be gluing, and then tying all the rebar and hopefully do some more molds. We'll see how this goes. But yeah, let's get going as usual. There we are. That one is basically perfection. This one is a bit special. As you guys can see, there are a lot of bends, and that's just because I'm having the same issue here. as I had in that one, and I just want to make it as strong as possible. So I'm just trying to even out the spacing in between as much as possible due to the concrete we have here. And yeah, same here. And then that one, which is the first joining bit. So that's going to be the first one, and then it's going to continue. So yeah, it's been actually quite lots of work, which yeah. Now I just need to clean up upstairs, and then yeah, it's gonna be 2 or 3 days of break because I can't work with the hand. I can't do the concrete work.
72 hours later.
Unfortunately, I'm back after a couple of days in the Italian Alps. It was supposed to be a relaxing couple of days, but we decided to go on Anna didn't go. I went with some friends on a very, very, very long hike, and I found a very large stone I wanted to bring home. So I carried that in my backpack for 5 hours. So yeah. Anyway, I'm very sore. I have blisters in all my feet. My hands are burnt. So yeah, life is great. I am going to do concrete work there. I will be mixing stuff up there. And I would love to say I would be doing concrete work there, but I'm not sure. It's 35 degrees today. So yeah, time will tell. So apparently this is the Italian dream. I'm going to show you guys the status of the dirt down here, because some questions were regarding if I compact the dirt or not. This is what I'm digging through. It's basically yeah, it's very hard clay, so it would be great if I want to model something, but I'm not. So yeah, that's why they didn't see a need to compact the dirt, because it's rather compact already. It's yeah, very hard.
That's what she said.
I'm gonna end it. Yeah, it's been rough. I am about 1/3 maybe finished with the basement, or finished. Yeah, that's a lie actually. It's a lot of work, but 1/3 finished with the foundation I'm working at the moment. Anyway, yeah, the problem with the feet was not due to the safety sandals at all. I wish I would have worn those when we were hiking in the Alps. I'm gonna end the episode with some footage from there and the little trek we took with the stone. I'll see you guys in the next episode, which hopefully will include something else but the basement, but I can't make any promises as usual. Until next time. Ciao!